Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Caitlin and today's video is going to be ultra quick, so buckle in. I wanted to start experimenting a little bit more with traditional media, and what better month to do so than Inktober. I'll touch more on my thoughts about Inktober in another less speedy video. Because this is new to me and I was using my phone to film, I still needed to learn the settings and set up for all that, and unfortunately some of the settings that I thought would work led to this being super sped up, so it's a learning process. Part of why I wanted to get back into doing traditional media is because it's really nice after a full day at work staring at a screen all day to come home and not have to stare at a screen anymore. Traditional stuff also means you have a physical trophy, if you will, at the end of all your hard work. Digital files just don't have that same satisfaction. For this first one, I just wanted to do a really quick prop just to get a taste for the media for the recording and not get too elaborate too early. Gotta work my way up to that. It started out as a basic potion bottle, but I thought that was a bit boring, so I tried to make it a fancy handle or something, and that turned into a cattail and a cat bottle, so I suppose the potion inside is also cat related. Perhaps it turns the drinker into a cat. That choice is yours. This was fun to work on, even though it didn't go perfectly. It was fun to set up my desk and literally feel the ink going onto the paper, and to have a solid thing to hold and display proudly at the end of it. It really solidified my choice to keep doing special secondary bonus pieces each week of October in ink. Nothing fancy, nothing too big or complicated, just enough to practice and learn. That's all I have time for today. I'll save the rest of my thoughts about inking and Inktober for another video when I've gotten the settings to where I don't need to rush through everything. But for now, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!